Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This is the pinnacle of premium sport utility vehicles. The cabin has hand-finished wood trim and hand-fitted upholstery, a vivid multifunction display for driver information, and an 8-inch high-resolution color touchscreen for the infotainment system. Turn your smartphone into a remote control for your GLE with Embrace. It's just one of many user-friendly technologies you'll find. Access over 80 cubic feet of cargo space with the power liftgate, and access the sky with the power sunroof. Attention assist, crosswind assist, and trailer stability assist add safety, while dynamic select, agility control suspension, and the 7G automatic transmission with shift paddles add fun. Step into your future. Test drive this GLE today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,